What is up, guys? Nick Jones here for nickjones.me, my blog, pbcasttv.com, whatever. We'll talk about that sooner or later, but, I'm sure you guys, if you watch our podcast over at pbcasttv.com, you probably know that, it's been a couple months since I got my Android device, loving the HTC Inspire 4G, but there's one issue. If you're on AT&T, if you're, just jumping into maybe getting a smartphone on either AT&T, really any service provider in the U.S. besides Sprint, they're really the only other, whoops, sorry, we're not looking at the Facebook app today. They're really the only other service provider that has truly unlimited. You can eat as much as you want. And right now on AT&T, I'm on a 2 gig plan, which, I understand that some of you guys only have megabytes for a data cap, but I am privileged to have a 2 gig plan, but, I'd much rather have a plan that is not capped whatsoever. But today we're going to be looking at an app that allows you to track your data usage. And you may say, why? The iPhone and some other Android devices, some builds of Android have a data counter built into the settings and things. Well, this is cool because, I'm always experimenting with different ROMs. Right now I'm running CyanogenMod 7, maybe running something else soon. But this is an app I always download as soon as I switch ROMs or, save it, whatever, back it up. That allows you to track your data. Really easy, really simple. It's not the best looking app, but I thought we would give it a shout out. So let's scroll over here. I think it's over here. Yeah. And here it is. It's called Net Counter. It's free. Network traffic counter. And it really just has 2 options. And you can set up more options than this. You have cell and Wi-Fi. Let's see if we can... Yeah. There we go. It's called, like I said, Net Counter, but Network Traffic Counter. And the cool thing is it keeps track of cell and Wi-Fi data. So you can come in here to cell, and it brings down a drop-down menu. It gives you your total data, which is just whenever you download the app. It can't go back from when you... This is just when you started running the application. So I've been using this for several months, but this is, this 1.5 gigs is just since I switched over to Cyanogen. But as you can see here, monthly, I've got 1.335 gigabytes. Now I am on a 2 gigabyte, like I said, cap. And the reason that's so high, and it's, not even, it's the 23rd, if you can see that. But anyway, I've got about a week left in my billing cycle. So I'm going to have to conserve data a little bit. I think I'm going to be able to make it easily. But the cool thing is it has a 7-day view, which is nice to see the weekly view. You've got a total view, sorry, not total, today view, and then you have total, which is pretty awesome. Cool thing is you can set up, if you go in here to the menu, you can set up, if you go into preferences, you can keep it from updating, you can debug, and then you can also import, export data from the SD card. The cool thing is if you come in here and hold, you can change the counter type, set start date, set duration, sorry I can't talk, and set the data alert. So what I do is I have a data alert at a gig and a half essentially, which tells me, hey, kind of stop using data a little bit, watch what you're using or whatever. That's pretty cool. Now the Wi-Fi, in my opinion, since most of the time I'm at home when I'm using Wi-Fi, really doesn't matter, but it's still nice to have. The cool thing is this also tracks tethering, so it really just tracks any internet traffic whatsoever, so that's awesome. And I know that this is a really stupid application, but if your build of Android doesn't have a network counter or a data counter, whatever you want to call it, great to have. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/thatnickjones. You can also check out PBcast TV, pbcasttv.com. That's our podcast network. We've got 24/7 live streaming video at live.pbcasttv.com. And finally, check out my blog, nickjones.me. I post a couple articles, couple videos every week, so that's fun. And I'm also trying to get into a little bit of photography. I'm filming this with the Nikon D3100. Let me know how it looks. Let me know how you like this little view, and maybe we'll use it more often. So guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, I'm Nick Jones. Hope to see you soon.